The results for the 420 class today are really tight, especially after the throwout. We have Stewart and Allie from Rush Creek in Texas in first with 6 points. Pearson and Tristan from Newport in second with 10 points. And Will and Cutter from San Diego in third with 11 points.
After 6 races today, in the Flying Scot for the Sears Trophy, we have a tie for first. O.J. Connell from Mystic River, Connecticut with 12 points, and Alex Curtis from Chicago Yacht Club also with 12 points. In third place is Ryan Davison from Balboa Yacht Club, Newport, California. And just 1 point behind in fourth place is Hugh Hawkins from Gulfport Yacht Club, Gulfport, Mississippi.
After the first day, 5 races in the Smythe fleet, we have tie for first and second, or first with Nick Valente and Gary Prado. Both had a great day. In third place, we have Teddy Weaver.
I don't know, I started off pretty rough because of the wind shifts. I wasn't used to it. I'm used to sailing more in the ocean. So later on I kind of got into it and I got a 1-1-1 at the end.